Maverick Indicators here, top of the morning. So we are just jumping into this trade here early morning. It's 8:08 a.m. And let me walk you through why we're in this trade. Let me just get my chart settled in here because we continue to test the Maverick radar. So our paper trading here, just continuing to test the Maverick radar. And this is an indicator right here that will be free for any lifetime member of the Maverick AI Pro bundle. Let me set some take profit and stop loss. To any Maverick member of the Maverick AI Pro bundle, you will get this indicator for free. We're shooting for Sunday to launch this, and that'll be available. And let me tighten this sucker up. Now it is only 8 a.m. So let's go for a 1 to 2 here. So I'm gonna run a tight stop loss on 2 contracts. And why are we in this trade? Well, the Maverick radar is giving me an A+ setup on ES and NQ. And we've been having a lot of success watching ES, NQ, and the VIX. So let me explain this. So first things first, we have bright green candles. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data we're seeing in the background. All right. So meaning, normally candles are colored in direction, but this is looking under the hood to see what are we seeing underneath the candle, meaning what is the energy, the momentum, the buying, the selling, the whole nine, the price action, what is all that stuff going on in this formula? And bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. So the Maverick AI Pro, the way it gives you edge is it colors your candles to what we're seeing underneath the hood, not just price and direction, because you can see price and direction normally. We have a green background, which I have my background set to the Maverick Bear Bull indicator. So I have a green background, which is telling me that the bulls are in control. Our Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top. So when this line right here can't go any further, okay, when this line can't go any further and it shows an uptrend label, that is showing massive strength and momentum to the upside. Now, again, it is 8:11 a.m. So, we're not looking for the world here. We're just looking for $300, and we're at a risk 1 to 2. Our Maverick Multi-X, this indicator up here, sorry, my take profit is over it, but the Maverick Multi-X, think of this like 5 traders, they're algorithms, but think of these as 5 traders, and they're all voting across 6 time frames. So you can set these time frames for whatever you want. If you want the 60-minute, the 4-hour, the 2-hour, whatever you want. I have them set for short time frames because this is early in the morning trading, right? And Trader 1 through Trader 5 have completely different styles. So when they all agree, we're stacking probability, right? Okay, so Trader 1 through Trader 5, they're all bullish across 6 time frames right now. So we're stacking probability, green background, bright green candles, tons of up confidence arrows. All these arrows are not buy and sell signals. These are confidence arrows to let you know you are moving in the right direction. We have a buy signal, 2 buy signals that worked out really good from our Maverick signals. Also, price is above the blue line. We love to go long when price is above this blue line, which we call the Maverick guide. And we love to go short when price is below it. And I could show you that all day long. Price below it, we like to go short. Price above it, we like to go long. So what this is doing is, if we go back down to this Maverick radar, it is grading each one of these, essentially what we're stacking probability, our checklist. And right now, you have an A+ grade because it's firing on all those things I just showed you. For ES, you have an A+ grade on NQ. So ES and NQ like to move in similar directions. And then we have a down B grade. What does that mean? On the VIX, which the VIX runs opposite of ES and NQ usually. So what we've been doing is we've been testing it where we don't like to get into a trade until we have alignment, meaning ES and NQ, you have an A grade, and then the VIX gives you an A grade to the opposite side. Okay, and when that happens, you'll get a big message that pops up that says, all things aligned or whatever it is. Now, right now, it is 8:13 a.m. The VIX, I'm not looking for an A plus setup from the VIX. If I'm trading this early in the morning, we'll see that a bunch today, but I'm just not looking for an A plus set. I'm looking for at least a B setup. Now, if the VIX had no setup, then I'd probably sit out of this trade, but a B is okay. Looking at the testing that we're doing right now, a B grade, I'm feeling okay with testing and trying out this trade here. So we have an A plus grade on the ES and the NQ, and then we have a B grade to the opposite for the VIX. So that gives me a lot of confidence this early in the morning to jump into this trade. And what are we doing? We're stacking probability. That's all we're doing. We are stacking probability in our favor, and we're just watching this thing. And we're risking 1 to make 2. Our Maverick Multi-X is firing bullish across 6 time frames. All 5 traders are in agreement. We have a green background which says the bulls are in control. Price is above the Maverick guide, which we like to go long when price is above the Maverick guide. We like to go short when price is below it. We got some nice buy signals here. Tons of up confidence arrows. Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top, and this is not like an RSI where it slowly comes up and it slowly comes down and it fakes you out. No. This sucker's either at the top or it's at the bottom, okay? And we have an A plus grade on ES right now, an A plus grade on NQ, and then we have a B grade for the opposite on VIX, which I'm cool with at this early in the morning. So we're slowly coming up to our profit target here. And again, we've already set our risk to reward. So now I just sit back, sip my coffee, and we've been having a lot of success when ES and NQ have an A grade, and then the VIX has an A grade to the opposite side. Again, I'm testing, hey, it's got a B grade, so you can only have A grade, B grade. There we go. So we just hit our profit target, and really nice. Not looking for the world here. It's early in the morning. It's 8:15, way pre-market. But when we stack these indicators and we stack probability in our favor, beautiful, beautiful. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, and I say this all the time, but if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started and stacking probability in your favor, again, not financial advice, do your own research. I'm not here for that. I just want to show you how these indicators work. And again, anybody that is a lifetime member, it's just a one-time payment of the Maverick AI Pro bundle. By the end of day this coming Sunday, you will get this indicator for free. Okay, so we're just super pumped to release it. Can't wait to get it in your guys' hands. Our indicators are available on NinjaTrader and TradingView. This Maverick radar, we will initially be releasing it on TradingView, FYI. And then we have a lot of work to try and make it work on NinjaTrader, but all of the indicator suite works on both platforms. The Maverick radar will be available on TradingView to start with. So hey, it's free to look. Come check us out. All right. And right now we're giving away, with this indicator, it'll be 8 bonus indicators. Go take the price of everything and average it out. And this is the best deal I've ever seen. All right. So come check us out. We'd love to help you crush in 2026. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.